Hey everyone, in this video, we are going to be making a multi-topic Telegram group. What you're seeing is a simple group I created specifically for this tutorial, and by the end of this video, you're going to be able to create one of your own. But before we get started, what's a multi-topic group? A multi-topic group is simply a Telegram group where the content inside the group is divided into topics. We can create different topics for the chats inside this group, making it easier for the members of this group to find content easily and have organized chats as well. We can decide whether new members can see older posts or not, and so many other features. So we're going to go to Manage Group. The first setting, WeTouching, is the group type. And inside group type, we have two options. One is public group and second is private. When you choose public, you can choose a specific username for your group and it can be accessed by anyone freely, unlike for private. We can toggle this restrict saving content on and off to prevent members from sharing content from the group.
Next, we go to the Permissions section and control all the permissions for both members and administrators of TH Group. Yes, we can allow them send messages, but control what type of messages they send, among others. We then have this slow mode option. So what slow mode basically does is it controls how fast someone can send messages in the group. If it's off, a member can send messages freely to the group. If it's set to a certain time interval, then a user has to wait that specific time to send another message. Then we have what we call the exceptions. So the way you hear it, exceptions, is just a list of members in the group where, by the set rules or permissions, do not apply to them. You can use this section to add people you want to have extra privileges than other members. Then we have this section for choosing whether new members can see old messages sent to the group or not. You enable topics and then choose any style of your choice from the ones which are provided. So I'm briefly going to beautify my group real quick. you are going to click on Create Topic. Enter the topic name, and then choose any emoji that matches the topic name. You then have to send any message to that topic to unlock it to be active in the group. Now you can do the same for other different topics. You can also change the topic style after topics have already been created, like this. And that's it. It's that simple. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you found any issues or have any inquiries, you can drop them in the comments section and we'll try my level best to reply you. Thanks for watching.